real quick, for some updates, I'm glad you guys are tuning in. I got a few updates. One update is that I'm monitoring the next costume tutorial video that you guys are voting on, and it's real close with the Mortal Kombat X and the Freddy versus Jason versus Ash. It's like super close. So I'll let it go to the beginning of next month. I'll tally everything up. I'll make a little community post stating this is going to be the next costume tutorial. Thanks for everybody for, voting on it. So that's super awesome. Second update is I just got notified recently. So I have 104 videos that have been demonetized. Now, some of them I understand. I got some music that I put in there that at the time was copyright and royalty free. And then obviously some years later, a studio or whatever purchases the rights to that song or music. And so then I have a copyright strike. It's not necessarily a copyright strike. It's just a copyright mark, basically, stating your video is or your channel is not going to be harmed, but you are not going to be receiving any money for a portion of your video. And so a video that was making me $200 a month is now making me $4 a month. That totally freaking sucks. And I have 104 of those videos. Now, some videos are just straight up demonetized because I'm swinging a machete around. And literally, that's what it is. I'm swinging a machete or I'm swinging an axe. It's Jason Voorhees, for crying out loud. Anyways, so like I'd mentioned in a few past streams, and I've mentioned to some of you guys as well, I'm going to be going back and what's the correct word? Remaking, I guess, almost all of the costume tutorials, because every single costume tutorials except the Vengeance, NES Jason, I think the part 4 were the only ones that didn't get demonetized yet. All the rest of them have been demonetized in some form or fashion. So I'm going to be re-uploading a better version of them, and which I guess is going to overall benefit not only you guys, but it'll benefit me as well, because one, that I can get paid for that stuff, but also on the same hand, I can make the videos look a little bit better. I mean, I have the files already for it. I have the videos already on my computer. I'm just going to be removing the music or whatever YouTube said was bad about that particular section. I'm going to refilm it. I'm going to tighten up the video a little bit, kind of take out, because I was noticing on some of the videos, there's like some rambling on when there's not necessarily required. Because obviously when I was making the videos years and years ago, I wasn't sure how much information I needed to give. And a lot of it was just like extra exposition for no reason. So I'll be tightening up all the videos and re-releasing them to you guys. And being as the videos are like 85% complete, all I got to do is do like some update stuff. I can get those videos out relatively quickly, get them out while I'm in the process of actually making other costumes. Because yeah, the part 6 tutorial video that I made like 5 years ago, I'm not making $1 off of that. So I'm like, well, I'll just kind of redo that video with the improvements into it. And it'll actually be a shorter video, more condensed. And I can still reuse a lot of the footage because the shirt and the pants and essentially the mask basically is the exact same. I just improved the hood, got a better knife, machete action, that kind of thing. So I could still do that. And because it's got like almost 2 million views on it and I'm not making any money on it and it hurts, but yeah. Third update is there is a couple members, Marblo, I think is how you say it, Marblo 15, who's a channel member, and Chris, who's also a channel member. If you guys are watching this, if not, I'll try to contact you again. You guys are eligible for masks that I'm giving to channel members. So like I'm waiting on you two to respond to me, and they're hanging up right there. I'm not going to show them on screen because they're only for channel members, but like I want to send those 2 people some masks so I can get to the next 2 people and then the next 2 people, and then I can get everybody.